Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best brake pads for cars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hawk Performance HB302P 700 Super Duty Street Brake Pads. Hawk HB302P 700 do not top the list because these brake pads are versatile and all that. In fact, they're the opposite. The product has been specially engineered for heavy-duty professional truck fleets, trucks, and SUVs towing heavy loads. The biggest game changer here is the company's ferrocarbon material. The material is able to offer practically absurd braking performance under high inertia and repetitive braking applications. It can be difficult to drive in a safe manner with heavy payloads. Heavy fleet trucks, light trucks, and SUVs carrying heavy tow loads always suffer from high braking temperatures. These higher temperatures will contribute to premature brake pad wear. Moving on at number 4, we have the Akebono ACT914 Disc Brake Pad Kit. The ultra-premium part in the pad set is a little unnecessary, but we can definitely get behind the underlying message here. Akebono ACT914 Pro Act pads are great on many levels. The manufacturer's developments into ceramic formulations have been working wonders, reducing and practically eliminating the usual brake squealing, groaning, and vibration issues. These things are really durable too, able to significantly improve pad wear performance in regular driving conditions compared to your average brake pads. As far as we're concerned, longer times between brake jobs is never a bad thing. At number 3, we have the BOSCH BC905 QuietCast Premium Ceramic Disc Brake Pad Set. BOSCH BC905 QuietCast is all about the materials that make the product so effective, but at the same time, such a pleasure to deal with. The pad's OE-style rubber core multilayer shim is able to provide increased strength and superior insulation against noise and vibrations. Plus, these things are very much resistant to corrosion. The powder-coated backing plate does that too, preventing rust and corrosion for overall prolonged pad life. There's a nice protective ceramic transfer layer that does an excellent job extending the pad and rotor lifespan. The slots and chamfers here are absolutely nothing to complain about too. The hardware kit that comes with the package, including the synthetic lubricant, will let you perform a complete brake job. At number 2, we have the ACDelco Gold 170-1367CH Ceramic Front Disc Brake Pad Set. ACDelco 170-1367CH are about as professional as the brake pads in this price range come. The biggest contributor here is the product's ceramic, semi-metallic, and organic formulation that is able to provide safety and reliability for a multitude of vehicle applications. The only problem we have with the formulation is that it doesn't really do much to make the brake pads less loud. On the other hand, the well-thought-out shims, slots, and chamfers are pretty good at reducing the noise, vibration, and harshness levels, making the brakes not necessarily quiet, but very much responsive and balanced. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wagner Brake ThermoQuiet QC 1324 Ceramic Disc Brake Pad Set. Wagner ThermoQuiet QC 1324 brake pads aren't necessarily the best pads on the list, but the set has its moments too. The product's thermal-sensitive friction is probably its most standout feature, reducing the temperature under high inertia and repetitive braking applications. The pads are able to significantly lower the brakes' overheating chances, especially going downhill and or driving through mountain roads. The low copper friction and laser-shaped friction technologies make the pads effective enough with the most worn-out rotors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.